day to you, sir, madam. I'm Merlin Joy Castellano, 23 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. High school graduate.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Merlin Joy. How are you right now?
I am fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, it must be patient, honest, hardworking, and responsible.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will keep myself busy at work.
So can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
Sir, madam, I will give them food, vitamins on time, and take a bath every day, and play with them and love them as my own child.
Okay, so what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will sorry to them and I promise that I will not do it again.
Okay, so do you have any message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I really need this job for my family and I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract with you, sir, madam.
Thank you, Miss Merlin Joy, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.